Deep within the earth, a slow, silent process transforms simple minerals into breathtaking gemstones and crystals. Over millions of years, heat and pressure create these glittering fragments of time, nature's art, shaped by powerful forces. Their colors and the way they capture light have fascinated humanity for millennia. From ancient crowns to sacred rituals, these stones have been treasured and revered across cultures. Imagine the thrill of discovery. Breaking open a rock to reveal a hidden world of sparkling crystals. Whether found on a beach or admired in a museum, these stones connect us to Earth's geological marvels. They remind us that even in the most solid parts of our world, extraordinary beauty and complexity await. Exploring crystals is more than appreciating their beauty. It's a journey through human history and belief. Across ages, people have looked to these minerals for meaning, healing and connection. From ancient Egyptians to modern enthusiasts, the fascination endures. Let's embark on this exploration with open minds and wonder. Why have these simple minerals held such a powerful grip on our imagination? The answer lies in the story of the Earth itself. The belief in the power of crystals is ancient, rooted in the idea that everything in the universe vibrates with unique energy. Early civilizations saw the world as interconnected, stones, rivers, stars, and people all part of a living system. Crystal healing is based on the idea that these stones can interact with our own energy, restoring balance and well-being. Cultures worldwide have similar concepts: ki in China, prana in India, life forces that can be blocked or balanced. Crystals, with their perfect molecular structures, were seen as conduits of pure, stable energy. Placing them on the body was thought to clear blockages, much like a tuning fork brings harmony. The properties of each crystal, color, shape, origin, were linked to specific effects like red stones for vitality or blue for calm. This tradition predates modern medicine and speaks to a time when humans were deeply attuned to the world's subtle energies. Whether or not science agrees, the enduring power of this belief lies in its simplicity and connection to the earth. Healing, sometimes, is about our relationship with the natural world. Amethyst, with its captivating purple hues, is one of the world's most beloved crystals. This variety of quartz forms in sparkling geodes found in places like Brazil and Siberia. The name amethyst comes from the Greek for not intoxicated. Ancient Greeks believed it kept the mind clear and sober. Through history, it's been a symbol of clarity, protection and spirituality, worn by royalty and warriors alike. Today, amethyst is prized for its calming energy, said to ease anxiety and promote restful sleep. It's often called the stone of sobriety, believed to help with overindulgence and addictive behaviors. Associated with the crown chakra, it's thought to enhance intuition and spiritual awareness. Meditating with amethyst is said to clear negative thoughts and create a protective shield. Whether for peace, clarity or spiritual growth, amethyst remains a cherished companion. Rose quartz, with its soft pink glow, is known as the stone of the heart. This quartz variety is found in large, cloudy chunks, then polished into smooth, comforting shapes. Legends say it was a gift from the gods to inspire love and reconciliation. For centuries, it's been a symbol of beauty and unconditional love, even used in ancient beauty rituals. Rose quartz is believed to open the heart chakra, fostering compassion, forgiveness and self-acceptance. Its energy is gentle, nurturing and healing, like a warm embrace. Many use it to heal emotional wounds and encourage peace in relationships. Placing rose quartz in the home or wearing it as jewelry is thought to attract love and harmony. In meditation, it helps cultivate compassion for oneself and others. True healing, it reminds us, often begins with self-love. Clear quartz, the master healer, is the most versatile and abundant crystal on Earth. Its pure, transparent form has inspired awe across cultures, seen as petrified light or sacred water. Clear quartz is believed to amplify energy and intention, absorbing, storing, and releasing energy as needed. It's thought to enhance the properties of other crystals, making it a foundation in any collection. Throughout history, it's been used in rituals, divination, and even early scientific instruments. In modern practice, clear quartz is used for cleansing, balancing chakras, and manifesting intentions. People hold it while focusing on goals, believing it helps broadcast desires into the universe. Whether for healing, focus, or amplification, clear quartz remains a cornerstone of the mineral kingdom. Its clarity is a symbol of harmony and potential. Lapis lazuli, with its deep blue and golden flecks, evokes the majesty of the night sky. Mined for over 6,000 years, especially in Afghanistan, it's one of history's oldest traded gems. Ancient Egyptians revered it as a stone of the gods, using it in amulets and royal artifacts. Its pigment, ultramarine, was prized by Renaissance artists for its vivid blue. In crystal healing, lapis lazuli is seen as a stone of truth, wisdom, and communication linked to the throat and third eye chakras. It's believed to encourage honest expression and stimulate intuition. Wearing or meditating with lapis lazuli is thought to bring peace, clarity, and self-awareness. More than a beautiful stone, it's a timeless symbol of wisdom and the pursuit of truth. Jade, cherished in China and beyond, is a symbol of purity, serenity, and good fortune. The term covers two minerals, nephrite and jadeite, with jadeite's emerald green being the most prized. For millennia, jade has been carved into art, tools, and jewelry, valued for its beauty and strength. In Chinese culture, jade embodies virtues like wisdom and compassion, believed to bridge the physical and spiritual worlds. Jade is thought to bring harmony, balance, and prosperity, supporting both body and mind. It's used in modern skincare and worn as jewelry for protection and luck. The stone's cool touch and resonant chime are seen as signs of its pure energy. Jade remains a timeless emblem of well-being and spiritual connection. Crystal healing sits at the crossroads of science and spirituality. Science finds no evidence that crystals cure disease or alter energy fields, attributing effects to the placebo effect, the power of belief and ritual. Geologists study crystals for their structure and properties, not for healing. Yet, for many, the experience of calm or clarity with crystals is real, rooted in tradition and personal intuition. Spiritual perspectives value personal experience over empirical proof, seeing healing as a matter of connection and meaning. Perhaps the most balanced view honors both, appreciating crystals as natural wonders and as sources of comfort. The placebo effect itself shows the mind's power to influence well-being. Whether healing comes from the stone or belief, the positive outcome is what matters. Our journey through crystals is a celebration of human curiosity and our bond with the earth. These stones remind us that the ground beneath us is alive with beauty and history. Holding a crystal is holding a piece of Earth's story, a source of wonder in our fast-paced lives. Whether you believe in their energies or simply admire their beauty, crystals invite us to look closer at the world. They encourage us to slow down, observe and appreciate nature's intricate details. In a digital age, these tangible treasures ground us and reconnect us to our planet. This appreciation is a form of healing in itself. When overwhelmed, turning to the simple beauty of a stone can be comforting and grounding. Let these natural wonders spark your curiosity and deepen your appreciation for the world. Sometimes the greatest secrets are waiting for us to simply pay attention.